Can you hear me now?
Yes, bro, I am listening your voice very clear.
Okay.
Yeah, hi Shahjahan, how are you?
Hi. I'm very fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good, brother. How is going everything?
Yeah, you look so very nice today.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Yeah. What about you? What's going now? What's the positive side today for you?
Yeah, everything normal, bro. Nothing is new thing happening here.
Okay, but when I see your face, you are very positive from comparatively when I see you in the last time.
Yes, of course, bro. You are right.
Feel some happy today.
Yeah, I'm doing a little bit work. That's why I'm little bit happy.
Yeah.
Mm. When we don't have any work, that time every people they feel uncomfort because you know without work we don't
I
have any value in this world.
understand.
Yeah. Yeah, how is going everything in your side?
Yeah, going same, nothing changed.
Yeah.
I think after the COVID, facing some problems in business side,
Mm.
uh, we are more, we need to work hard or more and more for getting a client comparatively from the before COVID.
Okay. You are working in real estate, right?
I'm not in real estate, but construction is also a part of real estate.
Yeah. You are working in construction company.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a one of the one part of the real estate, I think.
If real estate is okay, if it's growing, our company also getting more clients.
Yeah. You're right. Okay. Yeah, how is going your English practice, brother?
In the last 2 weeks, I think I do not get enough time to practice.
Yeah, same thing happening with me, bro. I am also not getting enough time because I am also a little bit busy with my work.
Yeah, work. We need to work at the same time. We need to give time for family, so that the lack of time is a major problem. I'm very interested, but that's the problem, lack of time. In the recent time, I just left one group because I thought that one group is enough. Otherwise, I will not participate in any group because which group I will scroll the both group, but I will not find time to speak. That's the problem. So I just left from that group. Now I staying only your calling group and Aya's group.
Wow, it's nice to hear with you from you because yeah, I am also removed one group, bro, because I
Uh,
created one group with good thoughts, but somebody did some nonsense in that group. That's
uh,
why I removed that group because I am also not getting enough time to active there. Yeah, as a admin, we want to stay active. We are as an active member like that, but right now we are not getting enough time. That's why maybe it is not useful. Yeah, if we are non-active there, somebody trying to do something. That's why
at
we
that
don't need type of
uh,
tension. That's why I removed that group.
joined lots.
Mm.
At that
Yeah,
point of short time, using the group link, a group of members joined in that group.
yeah. Yeah, I said my opinion, bro. I don't want to. I don't want to stay this group like. I said with Deepak, he is also agree with me. But finally, he created again another group. Yeah, right now we are maintaining that group only.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Debo. Yes, I think I have a short break now. I just talked almost 2 weeks before with Debo because of the
Yeah.
time problem. I am very interested to speak, but lack of time is the problem.
Oh, yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah, I know everything about you, bro. You are a job holder. Sometimes you are not getting enough time. That's why you're you're participating only night time. Yeah, I'm right. Yeah.
When the nights, but when we reach home, also my boy family are also waiting for me. So I need to spend some time with them. Otherwise, they will say you only live with your mobile.
Yes.
They know what I'm doing. They only see that I'm just spending with time with my mobile. They
Yeah, yeah.
see that. So they will say that you only time giving with mobile. You do not give time with us. So I just giving time with family when I reach home. When my office, I do not get time. But when I get a chance, if I'm visiting the work site, I will get time. When driving, also I will get time. I'm using that time also to improve my English, to spend time in English practice.
Yeah, bro, you're right, you're right. But in the past, I did a lot of practice because that time I have enough time. But nowadays, I'm feeling uncomfort because I'm not getting enough time.
I think you
Sometimes, yeah, bro. Tell me.
are you joined any job now? Any?
Yeah, I'm doing job, bro. Yesterday I joined. Yesterday my first day.
Oh, great!
Thank you, brother.
Why I asked you, I can see a positive side, positive smile in your face. What's the change? That I asked you the first time.
Okay. Yes, yes, you're right, you're right. Before I said, but yesterday my first day. From 2 weeks, I'm doing work as a delivery boy job.
Okay, okay, great.
Yeah, I
Okay,
want to continue both. Maybe if God give energy for me, I'm thinking I want to continue both. Yeah.
okay.
Okay,
Well,
how is Aya group going, bro?
it's good and it's well, but I will not participating much more because the time problem.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's a major problem.
So,
It's a good
okay, now
group.
I'm left from that group because I'm getting more messages in that group. Like that's why I left from there.
Okay, okay, but one group. I thought that one group I need, so I continue. When I get chance, I will just joining there. When I get time, the time is the major concern
Okay,
because
you are left from Miss Cindy group.
Hindi group, yeah, I just left from that group almost 1 month before. Then I joined one another group. One Mr. Debansu, one of that admin in that group, he added me one another group. It's an
Hmm.
Indian group, only Indian members, but I feel uncomfort in that group also because some people are using lots of Hindi in that group. I do not need to learn Hindi with any WhatsApp group. I know Hindi to speak. So that I just left that in that group also. But one member who added me in another group. But it's a good group. But I feel that if I have two groups and I don't have enough time to participate in one group, Then I thought that both, if I travel with two boats, it will, I will fall in water.
Okay, okay, okay.
So that using that if a man traveling with two boats, he definitely fall to water. It's
Yes, of
a
course.
Malayalam, what's a Malayalam quote. So I
Yeah.
thought that I will travel with one group. That's enough to me. So now I am staying with your calling group and Saya's practicing group. That's enough to me. It's a wonderful group which I left that group. I think one Mr. David is the mentor of that group. It's good group, but don't have enough time.
Okay, okay, okay. I'm very happy, bro. I'm happy to hear your words about our voice calling group because we all are family like.
Yeah. Whenever I got free, I just posting message. Sometimes I will get partners, sometimes I will not.
Yeah,
Um,
because it is a new group, bro. Just a few members are active. Sometimes we get partners, sometimes we can't get.
yes.
Maybe one day it is going to improve.
Yeah. On Mr.
Yeah,
Sriga, today morning I have a short conversation with him. Your cousin. He said like that.
Srikanth.
Yeah.
He said he is from my village.
Yes. He said that he is a relative of you.
Oh, okay, okay. He's not relative. He is my village person. He is a intermediate student right now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he said.
he is my village person.
But his English is okay, good.
Yes, bro. That's why I'm motivating. Bro, please participate and improve your English skills. One day you are a fluent speaker like that. I'm motivating.
Okay.
Sometimes he is participating,
Uh,
sometimes he is not participating
said,
because he have
uh,
child mind.
he said that he is studying in Telugu medium, but I feel that he is good in English.
Yeah, of course. Me also, bro. I'm also not English medium student. I'm Telugu medium student.
Yeah, but you have your graduation, right? But he is only in his intermediate, but he is
Yes.
speaking well. If I find my village, people are studying in Malayalam medium, then I think no, people will not speak like that him in English.
Yeah, bro.
Some
Do you know that is power of residential schools, social welfare residential schools. In that schools, we have one secretary. Right now, he is not in power. He's resigned for the job, but he's developed a lot. Like he created a different environment in the social welfare residential schools. Like, do you know, bro? If you want to practice English, etc., you need one source. Like he created mirrors in front of big mirrors. So many people they went in front of mirror and they are trying to speak. Uh, they are observing their peak and they are speaking like that. And as well as he created uh, different labs like uh, political labs means if you want to becoming a politics, he created one lab how to speak in assembly like that type of training he given.
great.
That's why right now he is a one position.
Okay. Uh, where are you now? Right now, in front of you.
I got one number. I want to go. Thank you. I thought
Not to hear you clearly. There is a problem to hear you now.
So, hello.